Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Dr. Willow from Dragon Ball Z, the world's strongest. So, before we get started, how about we blast the music? Okay, let's get started on drawing him. If you must know, Dr. Willow is the main villain of the world's strongest. One of the main movies in Dragon Balls Z. The show is about when Goku and Piccolo and his son Gohan work together to stop Dr. Willow's plan to get his hands on the strongest fighter. At first they thought it was Master Roshi, but turns out it was Goku who is the world's strongest. But they managed to beat him in the end. He took over Piccolo's mind. What a scumbag. When he died, his assistant put his brain in a tank, keeping him alive. I mean, it was nice for him to do that, but looking at a person's brain, that's disgusting. Anyways, here's his brain here. Okay. There we go. Okay, next up is the cooler mask here. There we go. Now, we're just gonna draw a line here. Okay. There's his brain here. I mean, there's his arm. There we go. There's his arm. Okay, Okay, next up, here's his arm. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We draw this part here, kind of like what Cell has. Anyways, Dr. Wheelo, he wanted to get his hands on Goku's brain, but thanks to the Kaioken, he managed to Kamehameha Dr. Wheelo away, and possibly send him right back to heaven, or at least the Earth's underworld, at least. There we go. Here's his leg here. Man, they drew this thing really well. Keep it up, guys. You're doing great. Let me zoom out some more. Okay, so I didn't really see the world's strongest yet, but I will real soon. And next up, here's his tail. Make sure to have it. There we go. Make sure to draw a few lines down here for his tail. I don't even know why his body even has a tail. It kind of reminds me of Cooler a little bit. Anyways, there we go. Next up, here's his arm here. Okay. There we go. And done. That is how you draw Dr. Wheelo from the world's strongest. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? Now, I know this is my first time actually drawing this guy, but I managed to get through it. I'm sure you guys did great as well. And oh shoot, got to draw some bubbles in there. A platform for him. So anyways, what's your favorite part about the World's Strongest? And who is your favorite character from the World's Strongest as well? If you ask me, this guy should be an awesome character for Dragon Ball Fighters. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what amazing and awesome character I'll draw you guys next. So, I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye, folks!